Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here, and I just want to show you where Appomattox Courthouse is located. It's located, this is Virginia, in central Virginia, right here in this little red dot. As you can see with Google Maps, and over to the side, you can see an image of the courthouse. You can see it's not far from Richmond. Richmond was the capital of the Confederacy for the longest time. Not far from Charlottesville. That's where Monticello is located. That's Jefferson's home. But this is where Lee surrendered to Grant, and historians say this is the end of the Civil War because Lee commanded the largest army in the Confederacy. Though it's not to say that there were other battles, much small skirmishes, you might say, that took place after this, but because it was Lee that surrendered to Grant, they considered this the end of the Civil War. And it was a few months later before they actually found Jefferson Davis. Remember, he was the president of the Confederacy. And then once the Jefferson Davis was found, at that time, President Johnson, the president who took over after Lincoln's assassination, considered the war actually over. But historians say this is where it ends right here when Lee surrenders to Grant. So there you go. Thanks. Have a great day.